Storybots.
Is the next song about the letter V? Yes, I can verify that that is true. That's very V. That's very V. I really don't invest when I play the violin. The personal vending machine dispenses vegetables and vanilla ice cream. That is quite a variety. So very Your vocals on that last verse were very nice. Thank you. I value your compliment.
Good morning, Panda Bears, and happy Wednesday. Today is very letter V. Hope you enjoyed that Storybots video. Video starts with V. All right, it's time for our good morning song. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, little pandas. So glad to see you and 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 you. Can you please shout out something that starts with the letter V that you just saw in the video? Shout it out. What's something that starts with V? Here, volcano. Good. Volcano starts with V. Vegetables. Some vegetables. Vacation. Vacation starts with V. What else? Anyone have anything else? Very good. Violin. Nice. Fantastic. Good job. Yes, when I put on those fun little videos of Storybots, I love it because in just like 1 minute, so it's not a very long time, you get to see so many things that start with our letter of the day, right? Nice. Yes. Very good. I'm so proud of you. Let's, please and thank you, take a look and see what is on the schedule for today. Bear Cub University presents Panda Virtual Academy. Today is Wednesday, October 14th. And as you know, we've talked a lot about it already. It's the letter V. We have capital V and lowercase v. And you will notice right away that V looks very similar to U, except for V comes down to a point, and U that we worked on Monday is curved. So V comes down to a point and the U is curved. Good. Capital V, lowercase v, all about numbers today. And I have a fun activity with vroom, with cars. We're gonna use little cars to practice counting and math later on. So that's something exciting to look forward to. And for story time, we have Apple Picking Day. Yes, we've talked a lot about apples during this month, and this is a great fun-filled story. So I can't wait to read it during story time with you guys. So let's make it a great day. Let's get started. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, Panda Bears. There we go. It is time for the Panda dance. A 1. What? Oh, okay. Here we go. Here it is, the panda head. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Panda, panda, turn around. Panda, panda, touch the ground. Panda, panda, reach up high. Panda, panda, wink one eye. Panda, panda, pat your knees. Panda, panda, turn around and freeze. Great job, Panda Bears. That was fun. And yes, I do love doing the panda dance with the panda head. Makes it extra fun. All right, who's ready to get those wiggles out? Shout it out or give me a silent cheer. Who's ready to get those wiggles out? Yeah! A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. We're gonna shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake your sillies out. Wiggle our waggles away. Hooray! We're gonna jump, jump, jump our jiggles out. Jump, jump, jump our jiggles out. Jump, jump, jump our jiggles out and wiggle our waggles away. Hooray! Way to shake those sillies out and wiggle those waggles away. It is Wednesday, so you know what's coming. Lots of counting, lots of numbers. Ooh, jumping jacks? Well, that sounds fantastic. Let's do 20 jumping jacks. Can you count to 20 with me? All right, here we go. So make sure you have plenty of space, pandas. You don't want to accidentally kick anything, hurt your feet or your arms. Make sure you have plenty of space. Let's do 20 jumping jacks all together. Start with our hands on our hips, a smile on our lips. Yep, and as you go up each time, yeah, up and out, up and out. Good job. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hooray! Good job, silent cheer. Way to count to 20. What if we count backwards from 20 all the way to 0? Running in place. You ready? All right, let's do it. Backward. Yep, start at 20 and go backwards. Ready, set, go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Keep running. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Good job, Panda Bears. Okay. What? More counting? You got it. Let's count. Practice counting by tens. Yep, straight up. Here we go. Ready, set, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And shake it out. What if we tried it and we counted backwards by tens from 100? Should we try it? Let's try it. We'll stretch over, stretch out our backs and count diagonally. Ready? What if we do 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Wow. I know that's pretty tricky. Yep, you can practice counting from 1 all the way up as high as you can. Or when you count with your exercises, that's a great way to practice both counting and getting some fun physical activity in, right? Great job. We will count more a little bit later with our vroom, vroom, vroom with our cars and do some counting math. Fantastic. All righty, friends. It is time for calendar time. Calendar time. Calendar time is oh so fine. Calendar time, calendar time. Calendar time is oh so fine. Let's get out our calendar. Here we go. Put it right up here. And we'll move this right about here and bring it down for you to see. Nice. There we go. Thumbs up. You see? Good job. Okay, so we know that when we were last in class on Monday, it was October 12th. What number, yes, 12 is the same as a dozen. What number comes after 12? What is it? That's right, 13. Can you take your air finger and practice a 13? A 1? Whoop, with a 3 next to it. Whoop, whoop. 13. So there we go. We're going to put that under Tuesday. What number comes after 13? 14. Good job. A 1 and a 4. And remember, sometimes 4 looks like that, and sometimes it looks differently. I will get out my board and show you in a second. Here we go. So we're going to put our 14 under Wednesday, and that's today. Can you say, today is Wednesday, October 14th, 2020. Good. Let's get out right over here. There we go. Let's look at the different ways we can make 14. So can everybody get out their air finger? Let's practice the same way that was on our magnet. See our magnet for our date? So we're going to go whoop. And when they make a 4 in that font, you're going to go straight down. You're going to go back to the top. You're going to go whoop and whoop straight through. And sometimes it stops on line, sometimes it goes further. So there's 14, just like that. Also, you might write 14 with a 1. Practice your 1. Good job, pandas. And then 4 like this. Whoop, whoop. And then goes back to the top and then just comes straight down where that line comes out and boom, just like that. So both of those are 14, just with different fonts. So we talk a lot about different fonts and how the same thing can be written in different ways, right? Good job. All right, I'm going to take our magnet back, put this back, great practice, and put it right here. Okay, one more time. Say, today is Wednesday, October 14th, 2020. Good. Let's count all the way from the first day of October to today, the 14th day of October, doing our ordinal number counting. Yeah, just like first, second, third. Good, good. Ordinal number counting. Ready, set, count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. Nice job, Panda Bears. Way to go. Let's practice that Days of the Week song. And then we'll come over to do our yesterday trial. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 One more time. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. 7 days in a week. I got the 7 right today. Hooray! Show me 7 days in a week. Use your 5 and 2. Or switch it and do 2 and 5. Or Or show me 4 and 3 make 7. Or switch it and show me 3 and 4 make 7. Great job. 7 days in a week, and today is Wednesday. Let's take a little look over here where we have our yesterday, today, and tomorrow. So we know that today is Wednesday. So we're going to put Wednesday right up there. We'll move all the other days back. So today is Wednesday. Can you read that and repeat after me? Say, today is Wednesday. Good. So if today is Wednesday, think back to our song that we just sang, our famous Fabulous Days of the Week song. What day was yesterday? That's right, Tuesday. Tuesday. So we'll put it right up here. And this says, yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. And then, so if we know today's Wednesday, tomorrow is, you got it, Thursday. Thursday. So we'll put Thursday right under here. So let's repeat one more time. Say, yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Your turn. Nice. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Fabulous. Today is Wednesday, October 14th, 2020. Nice. Okay, so what we're going to do next, I'm going to put this up and we will practice our months of the year dance. Yes. Okay, yes, we're in the month of October. Who can tell me what number October is? You're right. It's the 10th month of the year. Okay, let's see. I'm going to try to get it a little bit higher. There we go, just like that. So you can see me. And let's practice our months of the year to our dance. That way we can get some more music and movement time in. So hands on hips, smile on lips. Months of the year. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. These are the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. These are the months. We'll shout them only once, and we'll shout them loud enough for all to hear. Here we go. Repeat after me. Say, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. These are the months. We shouted them only once, and we shouted them loud enough for all to hear. One more time, really fast. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Silent cheer. Great job practicing those 12 months of the year. We are toward the middle. As you can see, about half of our calendar is filled up, and 14 is almost halfway through the month of October. So in just a few weeks, it'll be goodbye October and hello to November. I know time is going so very fast. We are still in the season of fall or autumn. We've talked a lot about how each season lasts about 3 months long, right? And there's 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. Yes, so we have a couple more months of fall or autumn before it becomes winter time. Winter time comes towards the end of December, right before Christmas time. It becomes winter time. All right, what about, yes, you can continue to practice your leaves falling down song at home and all the songs that you want to do. We need to do some weather now. Are you ready for weather? Okay, so we're gonna take a quick look first today. So go over to the window, take a look outside. What do you see? And then come back. Show me what type of weather you see outside. Good, good. Sun shines. Oh, you see some rain. Oh, it's wet on the ground. Yeah. Oh, by the grass, the sprinklers may make it wet, right? Yeah. I know sometimes you might see water on the ground. You're like, was it raining? And then you realize that the sprinklers were on. Uh-huh. Some clouds. Good. Good. And remember, we were talking about on Monday that the weather can change very fast, right? You could wake up and it could be rainy, and then in a little while the clouds go away and it could be sunny. Or the opposite, you wake up, it's sunny outside. You're like, wow, it's a sunny and bright day. I'm gonna go outside, and then you're playing outside. Maybe you're at the park and then all of a sudden it could start to rain, right? Yes. Yeah, that's why we check our weather app on our phone. I know, to see, because it helps us predict what the weather might be like. It helps us see. Yeah. Yes, if we need an umbrella or an umbrella for shade if it's too hot. Yes, you're right. You guys are so smart. Okay, so I have our lovely weather signs today. How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? A. Make the symbol when you show. Is it sunny? Show me the sunshine. Is it rainy? Show me the rain. Is it cloudy? Make a cloud. Is it snowy? Snowballs. Snowflakes. Is it windy? Is it stormy? How's the weather today? Great job on the weather. Okay, we pick those up. We'll put them right over here. Fantastic job with calendar time. I cannot believe how well you guys are doing practicing the days of the week song and the months of the year. Oh my goodness. Practice, practice, practice. I think because we do it every time we come to calendar time, it's like you've memorized it. It's in your head. You probably are maybe playing with your friends or your siblings in the afternoon, and the weather song, like how's the weather, pops in your head, or the colors of the rainbow song, or the bear cub dance. Does that ever happen? You think about those songs a lot? Yes, because you're practicing, practicing, practicing them. So, so proud of you. Let's look at the star of the show for today. We talked about this letter at the beginning. It's the letter V. V. All right, I'm going to come on over here, get all of my letter V supplies, my poem, capital and lowercase, and my vocabulary words. Okay, so let's bring them on over here. Capital V and lowercase v. Can you please take your air finger and start at the top? You're going to go diagonal down to the point, and then you're just going to go straight up in the opposite direction, just like that. That's capital V. Capital or uppercase. This is lowercase v, and it looks pretty much the exact same. It's just smaller. It's about half the size, so you'll start halfway, go down to the point, and back up just like that. Can everybody please practice capital V and lowercase v? Go. Ooh. Ooh. Great work, pandas. All right, These are some different vocabulary words that start with the letter V. Now, I know that you learned so many words from our Storybots video, and if you watch ABC Mouse and Jack Hartman, you'll learn even more things that start with each letter of the day. But here are a few. What is this a picture of? A volleyball. Good, volleyball. What's that? Vegetables. Look at all those yummy vegetables. The bell pepper, asparagus, the corn, the broccoli. Yummy, yummy. Radishes, zucchini. We have van. Van. Now, this is a good example. Look at these two things that start with the letter V. Vegetables and van. Which word that starts with the letter V is longer? Which word has more letters? Is it vegetables? Is it van? That's right, vegetables. Vegetables has more letters. Let's count how many letters are in the word vegetables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 letters are in the word vegetables. Yes, and yes, you have learned all those letters. Wow. Nice. So vegetables, 10 letters. How many letters are in van? 1, 2, 3. 3 letters. So 3 is smaller than 10, so there's less letters in van than the letters in vegetables. Good job. What about this? It's an instrument. It's called a violin. Violin. One more time. Violin, van, vegetables, and volleyball. Fun. And remember, you can watch those videos and learn so many more things that start with the letter V. Let's take a look at our poem. Let's look at the picture. Ooh, it's a picture of 2 vultures. This vulture is wearing a purple or a violet vest, holding a flower, a sunflower. And yes, she's wearing a little pink skirt. I don't know if he's giving her flowers. Let's listen to the poem and see what this is all about. It says, when Vincent visits Vicky, this vulture wears his very best. A violet velvet vest. So that is Vincent, and he is wearing a violet. That's a dark, dark purple we call violet. Velvet. Velvet is something you feel, it's a material, right? It's like, it feels like crushed. It's velvet, it's soft. Velvet vest, and that is a vest. Like a little mini jacket, doesn't have sleeves, a vest, and it has buttons. How many of you have a vest? A jean vest? Yeah. So there's his violet velvet vest, and his name is Vincent, and then her name is Vicky, and they are both vultures. So please repeat the poem after me. Say, when Vincent visits Vicky. Good. This vulture wears his very best. Good. A violet velvet vest. Nice. Let's say the poem for the letter V all together now. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. When Vincent visits Vicky, this vulture wears his very best. A violet velvet vest. Nice job, Panda Bears. It's so much fun learning about all the letters. I love the letter V. Don't forget, when you go to your station rotations for a worksheet, you have this fantastic, amazing, the star of the show, letter V. You can practice tracing the lowercase and the capitals. This one, you're going to search and circle all the capital and lowercase V's, and then remember to cross out if it's a different letter, if it's not a V. We have a picture of what? Yes, you are right. It is just like, let me see if I can find it. Just like our violin on our vocabulary card, right? So you can color in your violin. If you want to trace over the word to practice more letters, that would be wonderful. Or if you want to try writing it on your own, this gives you lots of space today to practice lowercase V's and capital V's down here all by yourself. And another thing that you can do is you can start circling after you do your whole row of lowercase V's. You can circle which one you think is your very best. That would be fantastic. Same thing with the capital. So after you do all your capital V's, you can circle which one you think looks the best, the most awesome, the greatest. And don't forget, you can also trace. Remember, we're practicing shapes. The star is one of the trickiest shapes to draw. So you can practice tracing around the star and coloring that in as well. And our famous yellow capital and lowercase V's. Remember, you can do lots of rainbow tracing. You can glue things onto it. Whatever you would like to do to practice forming capital V and lowercase v. And today we have volcano. Yes, they mentioned the word volcano in the Storybots video, right? So you can color your volcano. You can cut out all the different fonts of the capital V and lowercase v and make that into a fun project as well. There's the word volcano. And you have learned all those letters too, so you can practice tracing over that word or writing it all by yourself. Excited to see what you guys do with that project. Okay, so before we go, I promised you that we would do some fun counting with vroom, vroom, vroom with cars. So I have my little car collection. I'm gonna bring this over here and put it down a little bit so you guys can see. Just like that. And maybe it might be easier. I think I'll take this down and put it right there. Okay, perfect. That should work good. All right, so I have this bucket right here and it's full of vroom, 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 full of cars. And I've talked a lot about how you can use different toys you have at home or different little things that you have in a collection to help you with all of your math skills, with describing different colors, different shapes, with comparing stuff, and with counting and grouping. So what I'm going to do is we're gonna set up our cars and we're gonna count them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Say vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. All right, these cars are ready. Let's count them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What about practice counting backwards? Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, let's take a closer look at all of our vroom vroom cars right there. Now, what we can do is we can do math, counting, and practice by saying, how many white cars do we have? So let's take a look. How many white cars? I'm going to pull them back. 1, 2. 2 white cars, right? 2 of them. That one's green. We have some blue. There's black, red, like a dark blue, and a violet. So, how many white cars do we have? 2. How many other cars do we have? Now, we're going to move these cars, the 2 white ones. These cars are going to all come down here. The 2 white ones are going to go right over here. All right. So, let's count how many white cars again. 1, 2, 2. Let's count how many cars are left. How many cars are not white? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many cars do we have that are not white? 8. Let's count them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Good, good. 8 plus 2 is 10, or 2 plus 8 is 10, right? Okay, let's move the white cars back. So now we have all 10 all back together again. What if I said, how many blue cars do we have? Let's take a closer look and see how many blue cars that we have. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and you're right, 4. Now, they're not all the same shade of blue, right? There's some light blue and some dark blue, but they're all blue, so we'll put those back there. So how many blue? 4. Show me 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move all the other cars down this way. Let's count how many cars are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that 6 plus 4 is 10, right? Or 4 plus 6 is 10. You guys are so smart. All right, it was super fun practicing room car counting with you today. You can practice counting and math skills like that at home as well. We hope you have a fantastic, wonderful day. Looking forward to seeing you all on Friday for some more calendar time fun. Make it a great day, Pandas. Bye.